Hello and welcome to Dart tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to write something to file using Dart programming language. Now let me share my screen and let's see how you can do this. Okay. First of all, let me create a new Dart program. Okay. I'll say write.dart. Okay. Let me create main method. Okay, first if you want to create a file and write something, then you need to import .io. Okay, and if you import .io, you can create file object. Okay, let me create file object. Okay, file f is equal to file, and you need to write a path name. Okay, I'll just create one file, that is help.txt. okay, and I will use f.writeAsStringSync. okay, and I'll just write hello, please help me to learn Dart. Okay, and now let me also print write success. Okay, now if I run this program, that is Dart write.dart, here you can see write success, and let's see, here is one file help.txt, and here you can see hello, please help me to learn Dart. Okay, now let me create name.txt and let me add my name to it. Okay, if I run this program, here you can see name.txt, here is my name. Okay, I want to store another name, okay, with this name. Okay, I want to store this name and also another name. Okay, and I'll write Elon Musk. Okay, if I run this program and let me go to name.txt, where is Biswaraj Paudel? There is no Biswaraj Paudel. If you want to add content to previous content, then you need to do one thing, and that one thing is just write comma here, and you need to enable append mode. Okay, here is mode, you can just write file mode dot append. Okay, this is the thing. And if I write here my name, here is already Elon Musk, and let me write my name. Okay, if I run this program, here you can see in the name.txt file Elon Musk and Biswaraj Paudel added up in the same file. If you want to write another name in line number 2, then you can just write \n. Okay, new line. And if I run this program, here you can see Biswaraj Paudel is now available on new line. And you can also write another name. I will say Harry, and if I run this program, here you can see Harry is in the new line. In this way you can write file, and you can easily do these tasks with the help of Dart. I hope you understood how you can write file in Dart. If you have any question, then comment down below. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.